He whea ko tā tata mō ngā tangata kē.
Hiya, Ben.
Good.
Mō ngā ratonga Māori.
I feel like it is a bit of speed dating today. You know, it's intimacy at another level.
And that's it for the first session. Kia ora.
Nā Tī Wana Services te kaupapa tūtakitaki tere I whakatūria mō ngā tangata e rua te kaumāwha no ētahi ratonga, ka kōrero tahi mō ngā meneti e ono a ka huri tūru. Ko Ben Phillips te māngai o te kaupapa nei, nā e ai ki aia he kaupapa ko tui tui tēnei.
We tell each other about the skills and what we offer as services, and we share that, and then we move on to the next one. I have just developed a new wānanga program for diving. What we're doing is we're just engaging with other services and learning about other services so we can connect with them for the benefit of our people in the community.
Ko Baylee Pera tētahi o ngā kai whakatere whānau ora Ngāi Tahu mō hei whakapiki Māori. He kaupapa whānau ora e tautoko ana I ngā tangata whaikaha Māori.
If I feel they're not okay, then I'll go and get a food parcel and take it around to get in the door and see what's going on for them. I have a whānau who come to me for housing, and she's been with us for 2 years, I think now, and got her house eventually with a 6-month fight. And then she refused treatment, so it looked like an end-of-life plan. So my goal was housing, quick change up to end-of-life plan, and then I think a few months later, before I had my PP, she had her first mokopuna, and then rang me and said, I want to live.
E ai ki te tatauranga Aotearoa, no te tau 2023, e rua te kau mā tahi paihēniti o ngā tangata Māori, he tangata whaikaha. Engari, ko tā Pera, e hara te ko tui tui te mahi māma I roto I tēnei mahi.
There's not many disability services out there, especially not kaupapa Māori, that will give me feedback and a way of working with Māori that I understand. And so I go to my team and then they navigate me into the right people or the right areas to do what I need to do. The people I have come kānohi ki te kānohi with are services that I've had to fight. To fight with whānau, to fight for whānau and with alongside whānau.
Nō reira, e hikaka ana a Pera ki te tūtaki I ngā tangata hou, tērā pea ka taia e rātou te tautoko I ana mahi.
For me today, it's really great to put a face to these services, and a friendly face at that, to be able to connect with and reach out to get their help, to help me navigate our whānaus through a smooth and more steady process.
Nō naia nei, ka hoki atu a Pera ki ona kiritaki, a kei te whakamahere a Tī Wana I ō rātou kaupapa tūtakitaki kei te hara mai.
Yeah, Tī Wana Services. Oh, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Lucy.
Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo